Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. Today we will discuss about Python comprehension from chapter 5. Let's get started. In Python, a comprehension is a concise way to create sequences such as lists, dictionaries, and sets based on existing sequences. There are three types of comprehensions such as list comprehensions, dictionary comprehensions, and set comprehensions, etc. Alright, let's see the whole thing practically. First of all, we will create a new file as we before. Alright, first we will discuss about list comprehension. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists. And the basic syntax is this. Let's see the example 1. Notice here this code. Let's execute it. Sorry, have to change here a little. Okay, now see here. This is our output. If this program is written using comprehension, so it will be like this. This is the Python comprehension. Let's execute it. As you can see here, we got output as we before. Now we will see another example. Now we will using a list comprehension to create a list of squares. As you can see here, we got our expected output. Now we will see another example. Let's see the output. See here every letter repeated as 5 times. Now we change the range. Now every letter has been repeated 2 times. If this program is written using comprehension, so it will be this. As you can see here, we got our output as we before. Now we will use zip function to combine two iterable object. Basically the zip function returns a zip object, which is an iterator of list where the first item in each past iterator is paired together, and then the second item in each past iterator are paired together, etc. If the past iterables have different lengths, the iterable with the least items decides the length of the new iterator. See here, inside the zip function, we use toObject, and last we use a filter. Now see the output, and let's see the code again. See here we got 1 to 5. And here we got only 4. And here our every letter will be doubled. And now we combine this, and last we use a filter, which greater than 2. Now we will discuss about dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehensions are similar to list comprehensions, but they create dictionaries. The basic syntax is this. Let's see the example 1. Here we using a dictionary comprehension to create a dictionary of squares. As you can see here, the output. Now we will see the example 2. Notice here we used 3 functions such as key, value, and items, and every function has given different output. Now we will write this code into one line using comprehension. Now we will use zip function to create a dictionary using toList. As you can see here we got a dictionary. Let's see another example. See here, the first list contains 3 items, and second list contains 4 items. See the output. As we said before, if the past iterables have different lengths, the iterable with the least items decides the length of the new iterator. Let's increasing the items in first list. Alright, finally we will discuss about set comprehension. Set comprehensions are similar to list comprehensions but create sets. The basic syntax is this. Here we used a set comprehension to create a set of squares. Notice here, inside the list we used duplicate value, but our result will be get based on unique value. See here, we got only square of 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want to know about Python set, watch this video. Link of the video we put it in the description box below, and I button above. Now we will see the example too. Here we used modulus as filter. Let's see the last example. So friends, the comprehensions are a concise and expressive way to create sequences in Python, and they are often preferred for their readability and brevity. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, our video for today was up to this. Please forgive me if there are any errors in the video, because it is often overlooked. See you in the next video. Stay with us by subscribing the channel. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you.